Hey, hello and welcome to Melbourne's Terminal 4. It's a beautiful day here in Melbourne as usual. Today I'm going to be flying on Regional Express from Melbourne to the Gold Coast via Sydney. I'm going to be travelling in their economy class, just checking out what's changed with their product in the last few months as COVID has progressed and come out the other side. We'll go through, I'm not going to film check-in or anything, we all know how that works. Melbourne's Terminal 4, beautiful day. So apologies if my voiceover work isn't as clear as in our previous videos. Unfortunately, during our lockdown hiatus, my microphone has gone missing and I'm using the inbuilt microphone on my laptop. Anyway, got through check-in and security at Melbourne's Terminal 4 just in time to see the aircraft arriving from Sydney. Today, taking me to Sydney will be Boeing 737-800 VH Rex, which was delivered to Rex almost 12 months to the date prior to this flight on February 26, 2021. This flight was taken on the 28th of February. It is almost 12 years old, having been delivered new to Virgin Blue in April 2010. Rex operates a fleet of 6 Boeing 737-800 at present, with plans to expand. All 6 aircraft are formerly Virgin Australia aircraft.
Hello, how are you, sir? Welcome aboard. Off to Sydney with us today, sir. Perfect. 5F today for you. Just the left-hand side of the aircraft in the window. Welcome aboard.
The Rex Boeing 737 is configured with 8 business class seats in a 2-2 configuration and 168 economy seats in a 3-3 configuration. The economy section also features 5 rows of extra legroom, which I've selected today. As you can see, the legroom is quite generous. In the seat pocket we have a safety card, a COVID information card, the Rex in-flight magazine and an air sickness bag. Out the window you'll get a fantastic view of the mighty CFM56 jet engine. The seat has a tray table which slides back and forth, and we also have the all-important adjustable headrest. I'll leave you now to enjoy takeoff from Melbourne's runway 27, which was on time by the way, and we'll be back with more in the air. Flight today takes us initially west out of Melbourne before making a right-hand turn up over Canberra and into Sydney on runway 16 right, approaching from the north, cruising at 39,000 feet. So since I've last flown Rex, they have installed a streaming service as well as paid Wi-Fi. Now Wi-Fi costs $10 for the whole flight or $15 for the whole flight if you wanted more speed for streaming things. Today I opted to buy the $10 package just to test it out. It was pretty responsive. I didn't have any lag issues with it. However, when I tried to do a speed test, the speed test just did not want to work. It came back with error after error, and I eventually gave up. Of course, shortly after takeoff, we were served with a nice sweet snack as well as a choice of tea, coffee, water. Soft drinks were available for $4. Today we got some nice salted caramel white chocolate cookies and I grabbed a coffee. So everything sort of changed on me throughout this flight. It became apparent that the Gold Coast airport was in fact closed as it was flooded. So I'll only be going as far as Sydney today. I guess to sum things up, the Rex service is probably one of the most consistent of any Australian airline. I find the crew are always friendly. You know what to expect. You know you're going to get a small snack. It's not going to be anything special. Tea, coffee, that's all included. Seats comfortable. Their Wi-Fi, whilst I don't really think I'll be paying for it too often, it's nice to have it there. So yeah, one thing I'd really love Rex to have would be a much better frequent flyer program. Well, they don't have a frequent flyer program at the moment. I'd love them to get one, and it would really, if they did, I'd fly them a lot more often. So yeah, the call center was fantastic when I called them after this flight to figure out what to do with the Gold Coast flight, whether I could get a credit back or not. Fortunately, couldn't get a credit back, but they could put the sector on hold, so I can take that sector whenever I want within the next 12 months. So I'm sure I'll do that eventually. Yeah, so we'll leave you with landing into Sydney. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We've got a fair few coming up. Should be coming out over the next few weeks. Highlight of that will be the inaugural Virgin Australia flight from Canberra to Sydney with Link Airways operating. So yeah, check back and we'll see you in the next video.